Orcutt Donut Derelicts Car Show, September 29th. Little Austin Healey action showed up. This is one sweet little convertible right here. Austin Healey 100. That engine looks sweet. Love the intake. That looks like a fun car to cruise up and down the road. Problem is you smile so much you get bugs in your teeth, right? Yeah, Austin Healey 100. 100 smiles. Another nice little roundabout here. Convertible action. Of course, I love the red and black. You know that. Austin Healey 100 action. Matching pair. Gotta like that. The wood grain. Pretty interior. Alright, what else we got over here? A little Ford action. Okay. What year was this one again? 31 Ford. Try to get my story straight here. 31 Ford. Looking fine. Little Corvette action. Can't go wrong with the jet black Corvette Grand Sport Edition. Check it out. LS3. Nothing wrong with that power plant. Get you where you want to go. She's a winner already. She's a winner. Corvette.
Oh, we got a winner.
Something totally different. Get yourself an international craziness. This thing uses Corvettes for traction. It's got a brand new engine in it. New tires and wheels, 4-wheel drive. This thing will carry anything you want, wherever you want to go. Alright, keep on picking. Bluegrass music. Another nice blue Corvette. Gotta like that. Another Grand Sport Edition. Little European action. Porsche. The Japanese motif. That Carrera S.
Yeah.
Good looking Porsche.
Hard.
Like that action. Porsche fun. If you want a real adventure mobile, get yourself a Preisker Park. Swiss Army knife of adventure machines. Luggage rack up there. Tow whatever you want. Tow strap gets you out of any situation. With these low gears, this thing will take you wherever you want to go. Straight up a mountain if you need it. Preisker Park. 1970s. Straight from Switzerland. Right, adventure seekers. Orcutt Donut Derelicts. It's Sunday morning. I and Ray put this thing together. Bring what you got. We want to see it. It's free to enter. You might win something at 10 o'clock. I just 1937 business coupe built from the ground up by your husband Ray. That's one sweet ride with a 357 stroker in it. From a rust bucket to a beautiful piece of art. He has to do something for himself too. Good little Pontiac Firebird with a 455. This Pontiac will get you where you want to go in a hurry. You might need to get to the gas station in a hurry with that 455. That engine loves to drink. If you don't like low gas mileage, get yourself a little Subaru BRZ. Japanese street racing machine. Alright, let's see what else we got going on here today. Donut. Alright, VW vans. Highly collectible. No lack of view. These vans, they are sweet. You even got the air conditioning on right now. Open up those front windows and you are ready. Some serious airflow. This little VW truck. That's a rare one. Pretty nice. I like it. Another nice looking VW bus here. They are out in force today. Tell you what, camper specials, adventure mobiles. If you just want to do some street racing, how about a little SS? What's that? A 336. That's a different engine size. I like the paint. Pretty good. Chevelle SS. Right, adventure seekers. Can't afford a full-blown hot rod? Get yourself a hot mini bike. Check out, every time I see this thing, it's got another modification on it. Got the steering stabilizer, the plexiglass cover for the full motor, carburetor with no air cleaner. Right, and one of my favorites, T-bucket, engine exposed. Always doing some modifications on this one too. Got some new paint, new purple skull. Pretty cool. I like it. Right, little Bob 2015 Slingshot SL. Need to get to the car shows in style. Get yourself a Slingshot. Fun little mobile. Apache 31. Chevrolet action. Little Nissan craziness. I like that. It's like a fast little beast. Tell you what. I like the color of this Chevy. Check out the bed. Oh yeah, it's done a great job on the bed there. Liking it. 1956. Of course, we have the Mad Max. This is one crazy work of art. Everywhere you look, you're going to see some crazy detail. Goggles, TV radios, skulls, hand grenades, chains, whatever you need. Got it. This thing will run over just about anybody. Do not get in the way of Mad Max. 4x4 truck with a DeSoto body on it. Self machine gun, rattlesnake. Sweet. How about a little Challenger Hemi RT. Racing seats. By color. Liking it. Love this truck. Raspberry creamsicle. You don't see that color often. She's a beauty. Built from the ground up. It was a rusted Hulk. We started out with this thing. Chevy 20. Did a great job on this thing. 327 El Camino. Veteran owned even. Thank you for your service. Those El Caminos. No convertible Camaro. There's another 327 in there. The yellow with the black top color combo is pretty nice. Ford. Custom built pickup truck. Kinds of detail on this. Dialed this thing in. 59. Ford F100. Love the color combo. Done a lot of sweet details to this thing. There he is. Battleship gray with the red and black pinstriping. Right, liking it. Or just take an Oldsmobile body, put it on a Corvette frame, with a Corvette engine. Get yourself a custom crazy machine. The interior's beautiful in this thing as well. Looking good. Took him years to put it together, but it is worth it. Nice looking Chevy truck. Love the burgundy. Bed's done up right. Another Chevy, the Woody. Always keeps this thing spotless. I like that. 1937 Chevy Woody. Santa Barbara Woody Club. Looking good. It's a Chevy row here. Got the patina step side truck. Different combo of red and black here. Got the patinaed out red. The flat black. Nice black interior. Bed's done up right. Toolbox ready for real work action. Nice blue Malibu SS. Looks like it will get you wherever you want to go. Don't mess around. A little 283 in that thing. Keep it up. Looking sweet. Hey, how's it going, guys? Another Chevy Impala SS. It's Impalas. Definitely a collectible item. They're a favorite around here. About a 1956. Actually, maybe 1960. Rambler American. You don't see that paint very often, that's for sure. Builds them from the ground up. Total restoration time. Chevy Bel Air. Love that hood ornament. Sweet. Keeping this thing looking good too. Spit shine. Nice. Looking right. Looks like fun. 1955. Cruising on through. Looking good. I'd like that Impalas. Some workers cruising on out. SS Camaro 350, yellow and black. Sounding sweet. And looking mean. Up, just moving her a bit. Alright, more of the speed racers. Bringing them out. Ready for the Foxing Canyon Road cruising tour. Better watch out. You might lose that donut leaving it there. Alright, another sweet looking Chevy Impala convertible. Yikes, what's this one? Man, that's one sweet looking ride there, my friend.
I like your videos.
Dude, oh, thank
Watch
you.
all the time.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cool. Did you go to Los Alamos?
Yeah.
Oh,
I didn't think about you.
Oh, yeah, that was a good show, man.
Yeah, it was.
The Plymouth. Man, this thing looks fun. I can. Old school, cool cruising. Nice looking interior with a red and black. Good looking Plymouth. Little MG action. Red and white. Looking good. A little modified intake. Get some more horsies out of that beast. Looking good. Got a roll cage and everything. MGB. Another Volkswagen pickup. Nice looking Ford. Love that red. It's got the hood open and might as well get a little peek at the engine here. Oh yeah. Yeah, nice looking engine on that thing. Interior's done up right as well. I like it. Sweet looking ride. 1934. I don't know about this driver. Looks pretty scary to me. Yeah. Chevy Impala convertible wheelie machine. Good looking white. Keep looking sharp. BMW Street Racers. Check out the Chevy K5s. Love this thing. Shoot. Dude, they is not messing around. Totally customized. Sweet engine stuck in there. K&N racing shocks. Seriously cool. Rims and tires. Frames powder coated. Wow. King off-road shocks. That is one seriously good looking K5. Nice interior. Another K5 Blazer. Dueling machines. Looks like fun. Pismo ready. Rock front ready as well. 4-wheel drive K5 Chevy Blazer action. Little Ford Mustang. 5.0 liters of GT madness. Ready for action. Old school Silverado. Sounding good too. Looking good. I like it. It's the way to go. It's got more go than it's got. I hear that. Looks like fun though. Oh, pulling in with a sweet looking GTO. Love that stance. It's one mean sounding beast. Just ready for the street racing action. That ride. Little Honda action. Street racing youngsters are out. Chevy Nova station wagon. Sounding good when it rolled in too.
Oh,
I like it.
oh, okay. So they put it on the
Good looking machine. Barn find. This is what? Still only like 500 miles on this thing? And what year?
Hit 500 on the way.
Hit 500 on the way over here, huh? That's what year is it again? 64 with 500 original miles. You ain't gonna find another one. I guarantee you that. Guaranteed. Total barn find. Only been driven around the block a few times. This gentleman just picked it up and he's enjoying this. Nova SS. Alright, rolling in with a patina machine. Keeping it real. Volkswagen Beetle. Not messing around. German Works Automotive. Whatever it takes to get you there. Car seat and everything. Looks like this piece has magnets. It's drawing a crowd. I tell you, danger, high voltage. Don't mess around with this one. Love the paint job too. Got that black with a little bit of red hinted in there. Plush red interior. Stick shift. Like it. Mustang GT. Good looking ride. What do you think, puppy? What do you think about the deal? What are you thinking? Huh? There you have Dragon. Eyeing the prizes. Watch out. He's going for the chips. He's going for the chips. What a cool looking pet. I want one.